Welcome back to another video of summer outfit ideas. For first outfit you can try black polo t-shirt with grey baggy jeans and black sneakers. Next you can try tan shirt with cream pants and sneakers. Next you can try brown and black printed shirt with cream pants and white sneakers. Next you can try navy blue shirt with white baggy pants and black sandals. Next you can try brown polo t-shirt with white pants and white sneakers. Next you can try white t-shirt with light olive green pants and beach loafers. Next you can try yellow oversized shirt with black baggy pants and white sneakers. Next you can try white polo t-shirt with red pants and white sneakers. Next you can try black pattern shirt with white pants and black slippers. Next you can try brown polo t-shirt with black pants and black boots. Watch this video to know 35 black pants outfit ideas.